Today we're going to unbox, take a first look at some of the features and specifications, and even get some first impressions of the, what I'm considering, fairly unique Sidekick Revolver from Diamondback. And yes, you heard me right. I said Revolver from Diamondback. Let's go. What's up, crew? It is Chris with CloverTac. No delays here. Let's get to the bench and check out this revolver. All right, let's get into the unboxing, the features, the specifications, and probably some first impressions of the Diamondback Sidekick here. And there, of course, it is. We'll set that to the side. We'll get this out as well. You've got your lock in the box, pretty standard. Your instruction manuals. These are important. For those that are unaware, they'll tell you all about the firearm, the disassembly, for cleaning and all of that kind of stuff. Looks like we've got what is probably a warranty card type thing there, as well as a Diamondback sticker. And here it is, the Diamondback Sidekick. Got the Diamondback logo into the grips. That's kind of cool. Notice we've got the yellow strip here. That means we're safe. We don't have to safety check this thing, which is nice. And we got some nice Sidekick logoing here on the barrel and a little different font, little different script. Now, these did release November 22nd, 2021, which coincidentally is my birthday, which is kind of cool. One of the really unique features about this is, though it looks like it is a single action revolver, there are some quirks to it, and the first is the cylinder here is a pop-out cylinder. So check that one out. So you actually release that cylinder. This is normally on a single action revolver, an extractor rod. You push that forward and you're able to kick that cylinder out. Now that cylinder is 9-shot 22 long rifle. It is a convertible model here, so that means it comes with a factory 9-round 22 mag cylinder as well. And the next feature, I guess you could say, that makes this quite unique is while it looks like a traditional single action revolver, and it is, we go here, it is indeed single action. It is also double action, so check this out. And you can see from that, that is one of the first impressions. One of the things that bothers me a little bit about this is that double action trigger pull. Will that line out a little bit better over time? I don't know. Single action seems to be not altogether terrible. I mean, it's probably as good with trigger pull and all that as any of the other cheaper single action 22 revolvers out there. Got some Sidekick branding in the hammer there too, I noticed, which is kind of cool. Now this revolver does have pretty standard, pretty traditional single action revolver sights. The large front sight blade there with the rear gutter sights. Not terribly excited about that because I'm not super proficient with those sights. Can I have a lot of fun with firearms that have those sights? Sure, you can definitely have fun. But as far as stacking rounds in the same hole or anything like that, it's going to be definitely problematic for me. And then, of course, we got to talk dimensions here. Weight comes in at somewhere around the 32.5 ounce mark, which compared to other, again, single action 22 revolvers, is right there in the same neighborhood. Now, the barrel length comes in at 4.5 inches. It is a 6-groove 1 16 right-hand twist barrel. Again, fairly common. And the overall length is going to come in at about 9 7/8 inches, which is, again, pretty standard. Now, if we talk about the composition, we're talking an alloy frame here with a black Cerakote finish. Currently, at the time I'm filming this video, the initial release, the only finish available. And the nicely checkered and logoed grips here, these look really good, are nylon grips. Now, as far as I know, these are the only style available. That could potentially change in the future as well. So to the untrained eye, it looks just about like any single action revolver out there, with the exception of course, the pop-out cylinder, which houses the 9 rounds of 22 long rifle, as well as the convertible cylinder there for 22 Magnum. And then you've got the added bonus of having, as rough as that double action trigger pull feels, you do have that benefit of the double action. So there you go, crew, a quick first look at the Sidekick Revolver from Diamondback. Definitely stay tuned to the channel because there will be more on this revolver in the future. Until then, you might want to check out some of the revolver videos right over here. As for this one, thanks for hanging out, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.